Yan, good morning. Good morning sa 3 viewers. Thank you so much. Good morning, good morning. Yeah. Lison, Shun TV, good morning. Stroke in the garden, good morning. Ma'am Tor Langtang, good morning. Christmas party. Okay, I play your video, Ma'am Tor Langtang. Ma'am Tor Langtang playing on your video. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Happy New Year, Stroke in the Garden. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Yan, Ma'am Tor Langtang, I'm playing on your video. Thank you so much for coming. Si Samber Rizky. Ayan, good morning sa iyo. Hello. Good morning, Samber. Mega love shout out. Thank you so much for coming, Samber. Good morning din. Ayan, 4 million in the house. Maraming salamat. Sis Bicolana, Happy New Year na Merry Christmas. Ayan. Thank you so much. Same to you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year din sa iyo, Samber. Yan, Ma'am Tor Lang Tang, still playing on your video, Ma'am Tor Lang Tang. Done, nakapin, ayan. Ma'am Tor Lang Tang, already done to you, Samber. Please return. John Lee Wong, we love shout out. Thank you so much, John Lee Wong. Good morning. John Merrill, hello, good morning. How are you, John Merrill? Happy Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you so much. Same to you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Ayan, Ma'am Hazel, good morning. Ano pala ako wait lang guys ha. Yan, ipin ko lang si John Liwong. Ayaw, ba't ba ayaw? Ayan. Ayan, Ma'am Hazel, good morning. Happy New Year. Ayan. Si Pancho Butuhan, ayan. Ma'am Ma'am Torlang Tang, already done full watch on your video, Ma'am Torlang Tang. Ayan, si Pancho Batuhan, good morning. Mega love shout out. Thank you so much for coming, Pancho. Ayan, Ma'am Hazel, good morning. Merry Christmas. Ayan, 20 Wheels, good morning. John Merel, hello. How are you today, John Merel? Thank you so much, 20 Wheels. Thank you so much, Jan. Maraming salamat sa'yo. Yan. John Liwong, nandyan ka pa ba? John Liwong. Wala po ateng, nasa kubo po yata ateng. We got a channel. Good morning. Ayan, Ma'am G. Good morning, Ma'am G Balino. Thank you so much for coming, Ma'am G. We got a channel. Good morning. Ayan, Ma'am G. Dito ako sa bahay mo, Ma'am G Balino. Ayan, dito ako sa Pacific Pier, Ma'am G Balino. Playing na ikaw po. Ayan, Ma'am G Balino, playing ka na. We got a channel. Ayan, thank you so much. We got a channel. Thank you so much for coming. Good morning. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Ayan, still playing ikaw, Ma'am G Balino. Naka-play ka pa din. Thank you so much, Ma'am Wigata Channel, sa pag-stay. Thank you so much. Twenty Wheels, maraming salamat, 20 Wheels. Baba ka ng bahay mo, 20 Wheels. John Lee Wong, thank you so much. Ayan guys, pasuyo sa ating nakapin. Sa mga hindi pa dikit kay John Lee Wong, dikitan natin siya guys. Sir Vic, good morning. Miguel Love, shout out po. Ayan, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, Sir Vic Kalantas. Good morning po. Merry Christmas po, Sir Vic. Ayan. In advance, Happy New Year din po, Sir Vic. Salamat po sa pagsilip sa aking live, Sir Vic. Thank you so much po. Hello, John Lee Wong from Sir Vic Kalantas. Ayan, sana'y maging happy tayong lahat ngayong bagong taon. Sa pagtapos ng 2023. Si Christopher. Hello, Christopher. Good morning. Mega love shout out, Christopher. Thank you so much for coming, Christopher. Yan, good morning, good morning. How are you? I'm fine, Sir Christopher. About you, how are you, Sir Christopher? I'm tired, long day at work. I see. Ayan, Merry Christmas in advance, Happy New Year, Sir Christopher. Same to you, ayan. Thank you so much for coming, Sir Christopher. Your main channel, Sir Christopher. Click TV Angkas. Good morning. Your main channel, Sir Christopher. So nakapin, I'm done. Ayan. Sa nakapin, I'm dikit at sa alagang aso. Ayan. John Liwong, ayan. John Liwong, nandyan ka pa ba? Hello, Click TV. Baka pwede tayo magdikitan dyan. Sabi ni Sir Vic. Ayan, Click TV. Sabi ni Sir Vic. Baka pwede daw kayo magdikitan. Click TV Angkas. Nandyan ka pa ba? Ayan, may ano si Sir Vic. Kuhanin mo na. Boy Blue, good morning. Ayan, may galab shout out, Boy Blue. Dan connect sa nakapin, dan watching, ayan, from Click TV. Ayan, dan full watch na pala si Ma'am G. Balino. Kung sino-sino na yung nagla-live doon. Ayan, Ma'am G. Balino, dan full watch na ikaw, Ma'am G. Ayan, full watch na po yung video mo, Ma'am G. Hindi ko napansin, full watch na pala. Hi, G. Balino, from Sir B. Kalantas. Mami Pearly, good morning. Yan, thank you so much, Sis Pearly, sa pagsilip. Ayan, Sir Vic, dito na ako sa bahay mo, Sir Vic, Kalantas. Silipin ko po yung bahay mo, Sir Vic. Ayan, dito po ako sa Kabalangan, fishing port. Ayan, 3 minutes and 22 seconds. Sir Vic, playing na po kayo. Maraming salamat, Sis Pearly, sa pa-ads. Yan, next kita dito, Sis Pearly, kay Sir Vic. Sir Vic, playing na po yung video nyo. Mami Pearly, Happy New Year. From Sir Vic, Kalantas. Sir Vic, playing po yung video nyo, Sir Vic. Yan, maraming salamat, Sis Pearly. Next kita dito kay Sir Vic, Sis Pearly. Wow. Lods Official, good morning. Ayan, magalap shout out, idol. Gandang umaga. Merry Christmas, idol. Kumusta? Maraming salamat sa patamsak mo dyan, idol. Thank you so much. Ano yan, idol? Ano ba yung sisilipin na yan? Short video? Okay, no problem. Ayan, next kita dito, idol, ha? Pagkatapos kay Sir Vic. Ayan, Sir Vic, full watch na yung video mo, Sir Vic. Okay, dito na ako, Sis Pearly. Dito na ako sa bahay mo, Sis Pearly. Ayan, next kita, Lods Official, dito kay Mami Pearly. You're welcome. Ayan, Noel Maglente. Ayan. Like dan host, Astrid, kay Ma'am Astrid. Ayan, good morning, Ma'am Astrid. Ayan, thank you so much, Ma'am Astrid. Ayan. Okay lang, Ma'am Astrid. Sige lang. Maraming salamat. Ayan, Mami Pearly. Dito na ako sa bahay mo, Sis Pearly. Nandyan pa ba ikaw, Mami Pearly? Jagat Channel, good morning. Ayan, Lods Official. Ayan, naka-play ng yung short video mo, Lods Official. Ayan, playing na. Idol, naka-play ka na ha sa short video mo ha. Ayan. Tamsakan ko, Lods Official. Ayan. Maraming salamat sa iyo dyan, Idol. Ayan, Jagat Channel. Puntahan ko rin yung yung kanyang binaba. Ayan guys, pasuyo sa ating nakapin. Jagat Channel, ayan, playing on your video. Jagat Channel, playing na ang iyong video. Ayan, Ma'am Astrid, puntaan na lang kita mamaya sa main channel mo, Sis Astrid. You're welcome, Jagat Channel. Thank you so much for coming. Ayan, Lods Official, ayan, Idol, Merry Christmas, in advance, Happy New Year, Idol Official, Lods Official, Merry Christmas, baka naman mapamaskuhan dyan ni Idol. Jagad, with your permission, I will dictate with you from Sir Bicolantas. Ayan, Jagad. Ay, sakit ng balakang. Ayan. Ayan, Jagad, I'm done connected with you. Flash na track na. Load of whatever. Ayan, Rick, what's up? I'm done from Sir Vic. Ayan, Jagad, still playing on your video.
Ayan, part 2 botanical garden playing naman Bicolana pang 47 tusok. I hate drinking. Yes, that. Yeah, I know. That's why I'm wondering also last night. Oh, when I see it, yesterday it's only 2K. And then last night when I view your video, I'm so shocked. No, it's only 3K. See? Don't worry, I'm going to the PSW calculator. We know that it's only maybe 3K last night. Because, upload your that next week, no? Then I could do your links. I see 3K already published. Sarap naman po na natin is 100. Wow, really? That's why I'm wondering also what happened now. Kasi lahat po ng subscribers na yun. Yesterday is 15. Okay. Mamaya good morning. Okay lang siya sa akin. And last night, see, one day is not one week. Not like that one.
Idol Vic Kalantas, Migalab shout out from Rick's Loads Official. Ayan. Thank you so much. Jagad, are you still around, sir? From Sir Vic. Ayan, wala na siguro siya. Si Jagad. Jagad channel, ayan. Are you still there? Ayan. Thank you so much, Sir Lud Official, sa pag-stay. Maraming salamat. Ano lang, sana si Kwenta may small. Meron pa ba yung medium dyan? Alin? Ano lang, ang sasalansan, 50 small at saka 10 na medium. Oo. Ayun yung mga kauna. Asa ba si Jeko? Hindi. Ikaw na nga tumingin ang tinapanak kay may ano. Ang malalaki. Balik ko rito, tsaka ano. Okay lang si Koy, probinsyana. Oo, okay lang. Kasi busy talaga tayo sa umaga. Sir Arthur, maraming salamat Sir Arthur. Bigyan kong jacket yung ano mo Sir Arthur. Bigyan kitang jacket Sir Arthur. Ayan, may moderator ka na Sir Arthur. Maraming salamat sa pagsilip. Merry Christmas everyone. Yahoo, from kay Lods Official. Ayan, advance Happy New Year. Ayan, maraming salamat guys. Pasensya na, medyo busy lang tayo. Ayan, good morning Yen. Ayan, maraming salamat sa inyo dyan. Thank you so much. Ayan, silip-silip lang guys. Kasi lahat naman tayo busy. Ayan, patamsak na lang guys sa ating nakapin. Kay Sir Arthur. Sisikoy probinsyana, okay lang Sisikoy. Kasi ano lang naman sa umaga, ang live ko sa umaga, ano lang naman yan, pang pang singit-singit lang Sisikoy probinsyana, ayan. Maraming salamat Sis Astrid. Pasensya na, sumilip lang din ako sa'yo kasi nakalive pa din ako. Ayan, maraming salamat. Ayan Sir Arthur, tamsakan ko yung ano mo. Click TV official, ayan. Done full watching from Click TV. Ayan, nag-play ako sa iyo Sisikoy probinsyana, pinost ko sa community ko. Pili kita kagabi, nag-play ako kagabi sa iyo sa playlist mo kagabi, Kunting tulong lang 'yon Sisikoy, pambawi. Naku. Kahit ano na lang diyan. Welcome Sisikoy probinsyana, you're welcome. Sir Arthur, tamsakan ko po yung ano, yung upcoming mo. Ayan, unang tamsak ko Sir Arthur. Ayan, mag-change account ako. Ayan, pangalawang tamsak Sir Arthur para sa iyo. Hindi na ako nag-comment Sir Arthur ha. Ayan, pangatlong thumbs up, Sir Arthur. Sa account ulit. Ayan, pang-apat na thumbs up po, Sir Arthur, sa'yo. Thumbs up dan sa nakapin, dating love sa salamat po from Lud Official. Ayan, maraming salamat sa iyo diyan, Idol Lud Official. Ayan, pang-apat na thumbs up ko po sa iyo, Sir Arthur. Ayan, Sir Arthur, pang-apat na thumbs up ko po sa iyo. Apat na thumbs up po para sa iyo, Sir Arthur. Maraming salamat po sa pagsilip. Hindi na po ako nag-comment, Sir Arthur, ha? Nag-thumbs up lang ako. Ayan, Dan Rix Los sa short. Los talaga, ano yan? Los Sir Arthur. Grabe naman yan. Ayan, maraming salamat guys sa pag-standby. Thank you so much. Ayan pala vlog kay Lud Official. Sa mga hindi pa naka-watch ng kanyang short video at hindi pa nakadikit sa kanya. Ayan, dikitan nyo siya. Ayan, Lud Official, dikitan mo yan si Ma'am Probinsyana. Sir Lud Official. Dikitan mo yan si Ma'am Probinsyana. Maano yan, napaka-supportive din ni Ma'am Probinsyana. Kumusta ikaw, Probinsyana? Good morning, Sir Bongski. Good morning. Austin, ayan si Austin Sagsmith. Good morning. Ayan, thank you so much. Ayan, thumbs up dan sa nakapin from Click TV. Thank you so much, Sir TV. Maraming salamat. Arthur, the pipi. Ayan, thumbs up po. Maraming salamat, Austin. Thank you so much. Ayan. Maraming salamat, guys. Ayan, silipin natin ang binaba ni Austin. Hello, ano ba to? Ano ba? Hello, Stone Cold Austin. Cold Steve Austin. Sir Bongski, good morning sa iyo dyan. Merry Christmas, Sir Bongski. Ayan, Austin Faustino. Naka-play na yung binaba mo. Ayan, sa nakapin naman tayo guys, pasuyo. Ayan, may galap shout out sa iyo, Ronnie. Sino ba si Ronnie? Si Ronnie Rix. Si Ronnie Ricketts. Ma'am Rose, good morning. Ayan, naka-play ka na, Austin. Ayan, ma'am, good morning. Thank you so much for coming, Ma'am Rose Tasty. Merry Christmas, Ma'am Rose. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Advance Happy New Year. Idol mo yan sa movie ho, si Ronnie. Kahit naman hindi sa movie, idol ko yan, si Lods Official. Idol ko talaga yan, Sir Bongski. Ayan, watching Bongski from Ma'am Rose Tasty. Ayan. Ayan, Sir Bongski, nakawat si Ma'am Rose Tasty sa'yo. Thank you, Rose Tasty. Come join us to the, this bread for my breakfast. Bakit? Sabay ka talaga? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ayan 16, ayan 20, 10 na lang. Ay, sakto na yata, may 30 pa doon. Oops. Ayan, si Austin. Austin, nandyan ka pa ba, Austin? Still playing ikaw, Austin? Yan, naka-play ka pa rin, Austin, ha? Malapit na ikaw mag-full watch. Tamsak, ano ba tawag dito? Mukbang. Tamsak Bongski, your mukbang live. Ayan. Sabi ni Ma'am Rose, Sir Bongski. Ayan. Okay, Bongski. Ano ba yan? Inshallah. Ayan. Hindi ko naintindihan ano ibig sabihin nun. Ayan. Maraming salamat, Ma'am Rose. Ayan. Next kita, Ma'am Rose. Dito kay Austin. Ayan, Austin. Full watch ka na, Austin. Thank you so much sa iyo dyan, Austin. Ayan, Ma'am Rose. Ayan. I go to channel, Ma'am Rose. Ayan, Ma'am Rose, playing on your video, Ma'am Rose, 5 minutes and 6 minutes and 55 seconds. Ma'am Rose Tasty, playing na. Ayan, playing na ikaw, Ma'am Rose. Thank you so much everyone from Click TV. Yan, maraming salamat din Click TV. Thank you so much. Paano nga ako kasi may may music sa kabila. Baka tayo patugtog tayo. Kasi yan walang copyright. Sa kabila meron. Yan, Ma'am Rose Tasty. Still playing ikaw, Ma'am Rose. Yan, malapit ka naman. Yan. Pa-sound ito sa kabila. At least itong sounds ko walang copyright ito. Yan, 8 million people in the house. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Ayan, Ma'am Rose Tasty. Malapit na ikaw magpulat. Yan, Ma'am Rose is still playing ikaw, Ma'am Rose. You're welcome, Ma'am Rose. Ayan, full watch na ikaw, Ma'am Rose Tasty. Ayan, thank you so much, Ma'am Rose. Ayan, thumbs up done. Gibalino pang done full watching from Click TV. Ayan. Ayan, Asbar, good morning. Thank you so much for coming, Asbar. Ayan, Joseph Banswa, good morning. Wala na, may music pa ba? Sa kabila, wala na yata. Meron pa din, medyo mahina. Ayan, dito muna ako sa premiere ni Sis Pearly. Yan, maraming salamat guys sa 3 million people in the house. Thank you so much. Ayan, maraming salamat, Joseph Banswa. Ayan. Dan na raw si, si Joseph Banswa sa Click TV. Pakibalik ko na lang. Ayan, Shuhagis, good morning. Thank you so much for coming. Ayan, I give you moderator, Shuhagis. Roger, good morning. Mega love shout out. Yan, thank you so much, Huggies Vlog USA. Thank you so much. Dan Paul Watts Idol, that indicate sa link mo. Click ang cast. Ayan. You're welcome, Huggies. Ayan, I will visit to your channel, Huggies. Austin, ayan. It's 4 AM here, 4 AM here, Kenya. See, thank you so much, Roger. Thank you so much for coming. Ayan, Huggies Vlog USA, Dan from Austin. Ayan, thank you so much, Austin. Ayan, Huggies, ayan, playing on your video, fish recipe. Ayan, 6 minutes and 55 seconds. Ayan, Huggies, playing on your video. Ayan, si Noli Song TV, good morning. Ayan, bigyan kita po ng jacket, Sir Noli. Ayan, may jacket na po ikaw. So much, as you hug. You're welcome, my friend. Ayan, thank you so much. Maraming salamat, Sir Noli, sa TV official sa patamsak. Ayan, bisitahin ko yung bahay mo. Next kita dito kay, kay Huggies. Happy New Year po sa ating lahat. Ayan, thank you so much. Lalaine, mega love shout out. Ayan, maraming salamat, Sir Noli. Merry Christmas din and Happy New Year sa'yo. Maraming salamat. Lalin, good morning sa'yo. Galab shout out. Ma'am si Huggies, you're welcome. Ayan, Idol Nole, bisitahin kita after kay Ma'am Chuhagis. Ni-next kita. Yan, maraming salamat sa 5 million in the house. Thank you so much. Sir Kiagos, good morning. Thank you so much for coming, Sir Kiagos. Good morning. Merry Christmas. In advance, Happy New Year. Sir Kiagos, my friend. Thank you so much for like, Dan. Ayan guys, pasuyo sa ating nakapin guys. Hindi pa dikit kay Ma'am Chuhagis. Ayan, pasuyo guys. Ayan, ano din niya, supportive din siya. Ayan, Austin, dan my new friend gift check. Dan, ayan. Already done po lots, Ma'am Chuhagis, on your video. Thank you so much for Ma'am Chuhagis Vlog USA. Ayan, thank you so much, Ma'am Chuhagis. Already done full watch on your video, and then I give you 1 banana plus 1 banana. Sir Kiagos, I go to channel. Ayan, si Mahatis PL, ayan, galab shout out. Good morning, thank you so much. You're welcome, Ma'am Shuhagis, Vlog USA, you're welcome. Sir Kiagos, are you still there? Sir Kiagos. Ayan, thank you my friends, Shuhagis. Ayan, thank you so much. From Austin. Ayan, thank you so much for stay here, Ma'am Shuhagis. Thank you very, very much. Good morning, Manay Mirna. Thank you so much sa pagsilip. Maraming salamat. Salamat sa paharang, Manay Mirna. Sa kaya yung aking ipit. Mahiwagang ipit. Ayan, bingi ako host ha, wag mo kong shock out. Grabe, bantay ko. Insekto na, dalawa mag-asawa. Okay lang yan, Manay Mirna. No worries. Bugahan mo ng apoy. Yung mga bantay mo. Cooking with Sapia, okay. Good morning. Thank you so much for coming. Ayan, I will give you moderator, my friend. Cooking with Sophia. Ayan. Ayan, thank you so much. My friend cooking with Sapia, okay? Thank you so much. I will visit to your channel. Ayan, my friend, cooking with Sapia, playing on your video, banana and strawberry jelly. 4 minutes and 33 seconds, my friend, Sapia. Ayan, may ads pa. Ano muna natin yung ads. Ayan. Dan cooking with Sapia from Austin Mix Vlog. Ayan. No skip ads. My friend cooking with Sapia UK. No skip ads. Ayan, playing na. Ayan, Ma'am Sophia. Ma'am cooking with Sophia UK. Ayan, playing on your video. 4 minutes and 12 seconds. You're welcome, cooking with Sophia UK. Thank you so much. Thank you so much too for support my live. Shuhagis, thank you so much, my friend, for stay here. Thank you so much. Hello, Shuhagis Vlog USA from Cooking with Sophia UK. Ayan. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, my friend. Still playing your video, my friend cooking with Sophia UK. Still playing on your video. Mayayari na ako dito. Nakatulog ka pa pala ulit kanina. Bakit pinasok ko yung bibig mo? Nakatulog ka pa pala. Gabing-gabi ka na siguro natulog. Ayaw sa tito. Malapit na magpulas. So, kain na tayo. Ayan, thank you so much. My friend cooking with Sophia, thank you so much. Already done full watching your video, and then plus one banana. I give you one banana, my friend. Ayan. Baba ko na si ano. Mag-end na ako. Ayan. Thank you so much, my friend cooking with Sophia. Ayun. Plus one banana to you. Ayan. Thank you so much, guys. Ayan, mag-end na. Mag-end na ako. Ayan, maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-support sa aking live. Thank you so much. Ayan, I will go end na. Guys, thank you so much. Ma'am cooking with Sophia. Thank you so much. And then, Shuhagis Vlog USA. Thank you so much once again. And then, see you next live, guys. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas in advance. Happy New Year. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you so much again. See you next live, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Ayan, thank you so much, my friend cooking with Sophia UK. Ayan, bye-bye, guys. See you next live. Thank you so much again. Bye.